That me have that energy, you know. And me I say, yo, anytime me have them vibe, yeah, either something big happen. Saying whether you want to put good at, yeah, but me just feel a vibe, yeah. Me always feel a vibe, yeah. And then, me there Phoenix now, when I go through my email, I me see a video coming, like a email coming. Me go expose you, or me need $3 million now, before the new year kick in. So $3 million, expose me. So I laugh. When I click on the video. Yo man, it's not easy, you know. It's not easy. When I click on the video, it's a girl I used to chat to record like she have a camera in her room and she record it, dog. So, and apparently me don't know what happened now. She want $3 million. But me not paying a $3 million. So me I make sure so me do that video before them put it out, because them say them will put it out. And me have piece of the video too. When me I go put out. I know for now about me, I say, yo, how you say a Rasta, I got trip. No, I jet long time. Footer. Wait. All of the website, them, but yo, I know not gonna beat me bad. Because I always speak certain things. But if you understand the more time a man talk certain things, he not necessarily do it, you know? So, I know.